Hello students, how are you all? Hope you're fit and fine. Welcome to my class once again. Today we are going to study Maths Class 4 Lesson 4 Addition. In today's topic we'll cover addends, arranging the addends and addition of 4-digit numbers. Now the question arises, in today's world when we have calculators, computers and laptops, so why should we learn addition? What is the necessity to learn addition? The answer is right here. Addition helps kids master the relationship between the numbers. You know, when you learn addition, you can master the relationship between the numbers. For that, to learn addition is a must. If you go for shopping, you need to use addition to get to the right amount to be paid. अगर आप शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो शॉपकीपर को कितना देना है, क्या देना है, उसको जानने के लिए भी आपको एडिशन की जानकारी होनी बहुत जरूरी है. And then even your birthday consists of numbers and every year you add one. अपना बर्थडे में आप अगर एक नंबर जोड़ते जाएंगे आपको अपनी उम्र का पता लगता रहेगा. And for that you need to know addition. Addition skills give you a framework for mastering maths in the school. Especially when you are in the school, you need to learn addition to master maths. And moreover, you don't have calculators, computers and laptops in your exams, isn't it? So you have to learn addition. Now few things to remember. कुछ चीजें जो आपको याद रखनी है. The numbers which are added are called addends. And the result obtained is called sum. जो नंबर हम ऐड करते हैं उनको हम एडेंड्स बोलते हैं और ऐड करने के बाद में जो नंबर आता है उसको हम सम बोलते हैं. The rules for addition of 4-digit numbers with other numbers are the same as that for the numbers having less digits. In your previous classes, you must have learnt the addition of the 2 digits and 3 digits number. So यहाँ भी rule same है. Like an example, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Write 0 below in ones column and carrying 1 into the tens column. Now what are addends? Addends are the numbers used in an addition problem. Example, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Here 9 and 6 are addends while 15 is the sum. 9 और 6 addends है, 15 सम है. 9 और 6 की जगह डबल डिजिट, 3 डिजिट्स या 4 डिजिट्स नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, उनको हम एडेंड्स ही बोलेंगे और उसका जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा जोड़ने के बाद में उसको हम सम बोलते हैं. एडिशन प्रॉब्लम्स कैन हैव 2 or more addends which can be single, double digits or more than that. So addition is finding the total of different values. Now the most important thing to remember here when adding is to line up the numbers carefully. जब हम एडिशन कर रहे हैं उनको नंबर्स को लाइन अप करना बहुत जरूरी है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्लेस वैल्यू. किसी भी नंबर्स में अगर हम प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग नंबर्स को लगाकर ऐड करेंगे तो हम कभी गलत नहीं होंगे. नाउ एन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम योर बुक इटसेल्फ. Add 5433 and 1522. Now we have to arrange them in the place value chart. So first we will write the first number. There are 4 columns, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So 5 in thousands column, 4 in hundreds column, 3 in tens column and 3 again in ones column. Remember children, when you write, please begin with your right. Second number is 1522. So first you will write 2, then 2, then 5 and 1. After adding these numbers, we get 6955. I have taken another example. There are 2 numbers, 3654, 5623. You have to arrange them in the columns, place value chart columns. In ones place we have 4 and 3, tens place we have 5 and 2, hundreds place we have 6 and 6, and on thousands place we have 3 and 5. So first of all we are going to add 4 and 3. First we add the ones. What sum goes in the ones place? 7. That's right. Next we add the tens. So what are the number on tens place? 5 and 2. That's right. What do we get when we add up the tens? 7 again. Very good. Now the hundreds place. What are the number on hundreds place? 6 and 6. So we are going to add them. Now we get 12. So here just remember, be careful while putting 12 to below the hundreds place, and we put the 1 on the top of the thousands place. So on thousands place, now we have 3 number, 1, 3 and 5. So we are going to add all 3 these number together. So what sum we get? Finally we add up the digits in the thousands. What do we get? 9. So our answer is 9,277. Okay. Now I have taken a problem sum from your book. Problem sums are related to our day-to-day life. A question is, a shopkeeper maintained 2 beehives. There were 1,256 drone bees in one hive and 2,532 drone bees in the other hive. How many drone bees were there in hives altogether? Now here you have to read the question properly and then understand it. Okay. First of all, you just translate it in whichever language you want. A shopkeeper means दुकानदार. Beehives मतलब 2 मधुमक्खी के छत्ते. ड्रोन बीज का मतलब होता है बड़ी वाली मधुमक्खियां. तो उसके पास 2 छत्ते थे, जिसमें एक में 1256 बीज थी, दूसरे में 2532 bees थी. Now, how many drone bees were in the hives altogether? Our question is mainly this. Altogether word is very important. Altogether tells you that total कितनी bees थी. So you have to add these. Now how will you write this? Solution. Number of bees in first hive is equal to 1256. Number of bees in second hive is equal to 2532. Number of bees all together. All together means you have to add them. So place them accordingly. 1256 plus. Remember, you have to put this sign. Plus का sign लगाना जरूरी है. And second number is 2532. After adding them, we get 3788. That is our answer. So this is all about the maths class today. In next classes, we are going to study about 5-digit and 6-digit addition. Till then, stay tuned and like and subscribe the channel and write the comments in the below comment section. Thank you so much.